How's it going, everyone? My name is Logan Anderson, the owner of All Strong Fitness, the leading and premier personal training service that works specifically with individuals with special needs. The reason why I'm so passionate about working with this specific population is because they're an often underserved and underappreciated portion of society that simply does not get enough attention in regards to improving their overall health and wellness. This week's Fitness Friday, what we're going to talk about a little bit is some tips that you can do to reduce your caloric intake. Now, individuals who are very overweight or very obese, or maybe just want to lose a few pounds to look better, likely need to decrease the amount of calories they're eating. Decreasing the amount of calories you eat is an important and probably the most important driving factor in actually getting you to lose weight. So one simple trick that you can do to kind of cut back on calories is to switch some of your options to lower fat options. So for example, if you normally eat or drink full fat milk, whole milk, you can try cutting back to low fat milk. If you eat full fat cheese and other types of meat options, try going for slightly leaner options like 1% milk fat cheese. Maybe if you normally get steak for dinner, try to go for something a little bit leaner like chicken breast or maybe even chicken thighs. There's a lot of options that you can go through. Deli meat's another good option, although it is high in sodium. So if you are trying to watch your sodium, but overall, we're just trying to get slightly lower options, lower fat options. And it's not, again, that fat is necessarily bad. Fat just has a lot of calories per gram. So when you're trying to lose weight, you need to decrease the amount of calories you're eating. So this is just a simple tweak. Try to go for slightly lower fat options. I'm sure you'll notice a difference over time. And thanks for watching this week's Fitness Friday video. We'll make sure to catch you in that next week. And remember, I'm here to help you not just survive in your life, but thrive.